and the ganja, we crush a bit. Take a hit and take a bite, y'all, cause we be loving it.
Welcome to We Be Loving It. I'm your host, and today we'll be making a classic Rice Krispies Treats Fruity Pebbles. Now let's get started. We have our Fruity Pebbles, 4 cups, 2 cups of Rice Krispies Treats, 1 16-ounce bag of marshmallows, our pan for molding, non-stick spray, and we'll be using 3 tablespoons of our can of butter. So we're going to do a double boiler on the stove, doing pot, water, bowl, and this is to melt our butter in, and then eventually we'll melt our marshmallows in. So get your butter on top, bring the water to a bowl, and then of course put your butter on top and bring it to a boil. Once the butter is melted, we'll pour in half the bag of marshmallows. And begin to stir along, and eventually your marshmallows will begin to melt down. At this point you can pour in the other half or continue to melt down the rest. Once they have all been melted down, we'll pour them into the larger bowl. Be quick about it because they will cool quickly. We'll pour in our Rice Krispies, and pour in our Fruity Pebbles and mix everything together. Now you're going to want to spray your pan with a non-stick spray. You can also use cookie parchment paper or the combination of the two. Now you can wear gloves for this part because we are going to pack it down, and you can still get a contact high from the butter. I am spraying my hand with non-stick spray so it doesn't adhere to my hand as easily and it's easier to spread out. We're going to pour it in. Again, we have to be a little bit quick about this because it will begin to stick to the pan. So you don't want to pack it down too densely or you will be making a rock, but just pack it lightly and spread it out evenly, covering your pan. I'm adding a little sea salt for taste. This is your choice to add or not to add. It's not necessary. Now we're going to let this set for 10 minutes, let it harden up a bit. This is our finished product. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get bedrocked.